Hey folks, welcome to the channel. In today's build, we're going to start another canister damascus. And in this one, we're going to do a little bit of a mosaic. So what I've decided to do, I've got these two pieces of 15 and 20 that kind of fit together. We're going to put this in the center. I have some 1095 powder. I'll put a little bit in the bottom. And then I've got these two pieces of There's 9 pieces of cable in each one. I've kind of welded them up. Again, this weld will get ground off. Okay, and I'm going to put ball bearings in the other side and then fill the rest with 1095 powder. One thing I've done here is I've used a stainless steel canister. So this should help me get the canister off because it shouldn't stick with what's on the inside. And a couple folks have been doing this lately, so I figured I would give it a shot. Hey folks, here we are after the canister forge weld. You'll notice it came off really easy while it was still hot. My squaring dies are a little too small for it, so I'll have to watch that next time, but came off great. That was the size of the billet inside. That's the end I cut off. It didn't forge weld all that well. I had to grind off a little bit on the outside. And then I stretched it out and got this. Then I ground two sides, and then I'm gonna, you can see, kind of see the pattern on the end there. I'm gonna match them up, make another billet, something like that. Forge weld that, and then I'm going to make slices and do a mosaic. So I've taken the billet, I've cut it up on the bandsaw at 30-degree angles. I've now flipped those on their side, so this is the center of the billet. I'm gonna weld these edges. I just tack welded each end. I'm gonna weld these edges, grind the top smooth, and then I'll be able to put it in the forge, press it this way, and get a billet, and then I'll be grinding this off. Well, you can see we have a problem right here and here and here and here. So what I did was, when I had it all set up and welded together, I figured I would dip it in the acid to see what kind of pattern I had. And then my son came along, we started talking, and I forgot to wash it off. So all of the ferric chloride seeped into the seams, and now it's not really going to forge weld. So we have a problem. Yeah, so I just put it in the vise. I gave it 2 taps and came right apart. So there's no way that was going to stay together. Well, folks, I think we have a failure. Yeah, they're just too small, I think, to do anything with. And they're still a little warm. Yeah, you can see the pattern. I think it would have ended up pretty cool, especially here. I'll do something with them in the future maybe, but right now, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll make them part of something else, but I think I got to abandon this for the Karambit. So let's make some new Damascus. I'll probably release this video just to show the failure. Thanks for watching, guys.